Second proclamation will also lead us to a presentation, and I guess it's been a couple months, but we wanted to make sure that you were available, get you back home, and recognize you at our 4th of July. So tonight we have a proclamation for our hometown resident Nick Suriano. Whereas Nick Suriano produced one of the greatest wrestling high school careers in New Jersey's history, and whereas Nick Suriano earned 4 NJSI AA state championships in high school and finished his scholastic career with the perfect 159-0 record. How many times were you taken down in that 4 years?
I think like twice.
There you go. Whereas Nick Suriano was the first wrestler to secure a #1 ranking in individual weight class, and whereas Nick Suriano in 2017 was named Midlands champion and in 2018 Cliff Keen Las Vegas Invitational champion, and whereas Nick Suriano in the 2018-2019 season was a 2-time Big Ten championship winner, champion place winner, 2-time All-American and 2-time national finalist. And whereas Nick Suriano was named the first national champion and the first finalist in program history, and whereas Nick Suriano in 2019 was Big Ten champion for the weight class 133 pounds, and whereas Nick Suriano was named 2019 NCAA Wrestling Championship, and whereas Nick Suriano is a Paramus resident and truly gifted athlete. Now, therefore, be it resolved that I, Richard LaBarbiera, Mayor of Paramus, along with the Municipal Council, recognize Nick Suriano for all of his major accomplishments. Signed here, June 27, 2019. Nick, congratulations. I trust you know how proud your family is of you, and I've said how much or how proud your community is of you also. I think many, if not most people I know, were sitting on the edge of their seats when you were wrestling those two guys in the finals.
Yep.
One on the mat and the other one walking around reffing, but notwithstanding that, congratulations on your success. And I know you've been all over, but I hope that you come back to Paramus, and this is your home. And not only do we want to recognize you with this proclamation, but we have a street sign I'm going to give to you, and we also are going to make you our Grand Marshal. So I'm going back. I'm going to ask the parade committee to join me up here as I give you a sign. Come on, now it's your turn. You know, it's a shame none of the two signs are blue and white, but it's okay.
Yeah, I was wondering if it was going to be blue.
No, I had to make it red. And this sign, Nick Suriano, Rutgers University 2019 NCAA Wrestling Championship, will hang in front of Borough Hall for a period of time, at which time it's going to go over to Paramus Road, and we're going to have to put some more concrete around that signpost because we're adding on top of your state championship success, and we're also going to put some extra concrete because we have some greater hopes, and we're going to prepare for the future. So, Nick, you know how proud I am of you. I trust you know how proud your family is, and I hope it's meaningful that you come back to Paramus where it all started. Wearing blue and white on those wrestling mats with your father on the sidelines, your mother, your brother, your family cheering you on. And I hope this is as special for you as it is for us, especially next Thursday when you lead us down Farview Ave.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thanks a lot.